Welcome back. In Challenge 1 Part 2, we will edit our program to display a sequence of different colors. Picking up where we left off, we just displayed red on the TI Innovator Hub. Let's go back and edit the program to display another color. To move back to the page with our program editor, use Control Left or use the touchpad to move the pointer arrow to page 1.1 and press center click or enter. You may notice the tabs at the top of the screen give you the page numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. Now, let's use our arrow keys to move the cursor to edit the color command. I will use the delete key, which is a destructive backspace. Let's display blue this time. I will enter red, green, and blue inputs. 0 for the red value, 0 for the green value, and the maximum 255 for the blue value. Press enter to complete the command. Before we can run the change program, we need to check syntax and store. This time, we are going to select 3 Run from the Check Syntax and Store menu. Run will check, store, and paste the program name on a calculator page, ready to run. If there is not a calculator page immediately to the right, Run will insert a calculator page. Note that the shortcut is Control-R. We will use this shortcut a lot in the future. Okay, let's select 3 Run and see what happens. We are now on the calculator page, ready to run. Just press enter and you will see a new color displayed. Now, let's go back to edit our program to display a sequence of different colors. Use Control Left to move back to the program editor page. This time, we will add a new command. Move your cursor to the row just below the color command. Each row is a new command. We are going to add a command to have the program wait for a specified number of seconds before proceeding to the next command. Press Menu, 8, and then number 4 for wait. Now enter a value for the number of seconds to wait. I will enter 2. Press enter to complete the command. Now let's add a new color to display after the wait. This time, let's try a mix of primary colors. $255, maximum value for red, 0 for the green value, and 255 maximum for the blue. Press enter to complete the command. While we are here, let's go ahead and add another wait and another color. This time, let's enter 0 for the red value, maximum 255 for the green, and 0 for the blue. Now, let's do Control-R to see what will happen. Press enter to run the program. You should see a progression of colors from blue to magenta to green. Here are some color commands to try on your own. In the challenge, you are asked to experiment to edit your program to display colors that you might want to use in your digital mood ring. Creating your colors will take some experimentation. The project graphic may give you ideas on colors and moods. You may want to do a Google search of the term RGB codes to find resources for the red, green, blue values for various colors. Also, the TI-Nspire color file that is on the Digital Mood Ring activity site is a good resource. Page 1.2 gives you the ability to explore different color combinations of the primary colors. Page 1.4 shows the red, green, blue values for various colors on the light spectrum. After you are done exploring, you will be ready to move on to the Digital Mood Ring Challenge 2 video. But before moving on, press Ctrl+S to save your document, which includes all the pages that you have created. You will be prompted for a file name. Periodically doing Ctrl+S is a good practice for making sure that you don't lose any work. Also, if you are doing the project over multiple days, saving makes it easy for students to pick up where they left off.